So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to slaughter these two white chicken. Chicken, are you ready? Oh, are you ready? Huh? Are you ready? Oh. Hello chicken. So who wants to be a chicken? So now I have to slaughter you. Be good to me. Be good to me. Oh, look at me. Oh, do you like my boots? Huh? I have very nice boots. Now I'm going to kill you first. So while I step on your feet, I will kill you first. Are you ready? Oh, where is your tail? Huh? So let's sharpen the knife. Do you like my knife? Do you like the sound of my knife? It's so nice. Oh my. Now you will be the next. Oh, you cannot. You are trying to escape. You are trying to escape. You also can escape my beautiful hands. You cannot escape from me. What? Why you are so scared? I don't have mercy. So now you will be the next. What's the rule of your life? So we're done. And that's the rule of your life, to be slaughtered by me. So this is the two chicken that we have slaughtered. Luluto tayo ng adobong manok. Hala, I'm so thin. Oh my gosh. Ang payat-payat ko na. So ito yung manok na kinatay ko, no. Ay, gutad-gutad na ako, eh. Oh my gosh, what happened? Nilunod na lang yan lahat. Nabuang ang aking. Saan? Ang chicken. So, ito na yung chicken. Nagluluto ako ng adobo. So ito yung manok na kinatay ko. Oh, lamia, oy. It's so lami. So luto na. Luto na siya. So dali naman dyan maluto mga ka-vibes, no? Kaya gilakaan ako ni siya daan. So, daara. Sus, lamia, oy. Daara. Ato ang tilawan, unsa kalami. Sus, daara akong niluto, oh. Inita. So, lami-lami. Tamdag luto, no? Kain tayo. Lami, oy.